This video provides an overview of your Canvas Sandbox course at Reynolds Community College. All instructors are provided a Sandbox course used for building out and testing Canvas content, including assessments, modules, pages, and more. Developing content in your Sandbox, which never contains enrolled students, acclimates new instructors to Canvas and eliminates student notifications sent for every assignment, discussion, or quiz created. A key benefit of developing course content in the Sandbox is that content can be copied over into a live course using the Course Copy feature. More information on course copying can be found in our Course Copy video tutorial. See our video description below for a link. To locate your Sandbox, log into Canvas and navigate to your dashboard on the left side Global Navigation. Then locate the Unpublished Courses section on the dashboard. You may have to scroll down the page if you have several published courses already. Your Sandbox will be labeled as your first name, last name, Sandbox. For example, here we can see the Luke Skywalker Sandbox. If you cannot locate your Sandbox in either the published or unpublished section of your dashboard, navigate to your course list by clicking the Courses icon in the global navigation on the left. Once clicked, then select All Courses at the bottom of the window. Scroll through your course list to locate your Sandbox. When you do, we recommend clicking the adjacent white star. A successful click will turn the star orange if it's not already. Turning orange enables your Sandbox on your dashboard for easy access. If you cannot find your Sandbox anywhere on this list, please reach out to canvas@reynolds.edu. Once you have located your Sandbox, either from the course list or your dashboard, click it to open. Your Sandbox replicates a Reynolds Online course. Once clicked, you will first land on the home page, which provides users a welcome message and a variety of buttons for navigation. Just like an actual course, your Sandbox can be published or unpublished, which makes testing the content you create reproduce the same experience as it would in a live course. To publish your Sandbox, simply click the gray Publish button in the top right corner under Course Status. Publishing your Sandbox is required to preview your course in Student View. More information on Student View to come later in this video. Using the course navigation links on the left, click through your Sandbox to both familiarize yourself with the structure as well as to start building test content. New content can be created in Canvas by clicking the red Add button in the top right corner of each content page, for example, assignments. Repeat this process for other content, i.e. announcements, discussions, quizzes, and pages. After developing content in your Sandbox, you'll want to test them using the Student View feature in Canvas in order to confirm how your students would experience it in a real course. Most pages in Canvas have access to Student View in the top right corner, including the home page. Look for the Student View button with Classes icon. Once in Student View, a pink banner will appear on the lower portion of the screen, informing users you are currently logged into Student View. Please note that the course navigation on the left now has fewer links. This reflects the limited access students have in your course. You are now able to experience your Sandbox course and publish content as a student, and can submit any assessments you've created, including assignments, quizzes, or discussions. Please note that students are only able to access assignments, pages, or files from the Modules course navigation link. This is a key structural component of the Canvas courses designed at Reynolds. As a result, content must be added to modules and the Sandbox publish before instructors can test content using Student View. The same applies for your live course. For more information about modules and how to add content to them, Student View, or publishing your course, please see links in the video description below. This has been an overview of your Canvas Sandbox course. Please don't hesitate to reach out to us at canvas@reynolds.edu with any questions you may have.